You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful pockets design. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. I have cut my gum into my desired dimensions. This is 4 3/4 by 6 inches. Now I'm going to measure 3 1/4 here, that's 3.25 inches. Then down here I'm going to measure 2 inches. Let me bring it down. Then use a ruler to connect the point. I'll do the same here as well. Then I will curve it the way I like. Remember, I'm doing this on the front part of the gum. If you are going to gum it on white, you don't need to use biro to do this. You have to use white tailor's chalk, but I'm not going to gum it on a white fabric. This is the fabric I'm going to use for the center design. So I want to use this particular square design. This is a duck, so I want the duck to face up as it's supposed to be. I don't want the duck to suffocate, so I'm going to gum it this way. I'll trim it off. Then I will go to the table and gum it, then I will come back. I've just gummed it. Now let's go ahead and trim the excesses. Trim it right from the gum. Don't give any allowance, as you can see. Then I'm going to cut a strap from here, and the strap, make sure that is biased, meaning it has to be on the elastic side. That means you are going to cut it diagonally so that it will be elastic. This is 2 inches, but we are not going to make use of the whole 2 inches. You are going to place it this way and run thread here. I'm using the size of this footer to measure what I'm going to run. I'm just giving a little allowance, and I will make sure I maintain the size of the allowance that is coming out. You are going to turn it this way. Let me cut this off. So you fold it this way and run thread very close in such a way it will look like an invisible threading. You can see the excess. I trim off part of it.
If you're getting value for your time here, please kindly give this video a thumbs up so that it will help you to see more of my videos in future. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified.
Then I'm going to do the same on this part. Remember, this part is curvy. So you are going to be careful. Make sure you maintain the same size as you are running the thread. You have to run it carefully so as not to make mistakes. So to make sure that this part is well sewn, I'm going to turn this, flip this over like this, and run thread on it just according to the size of the threading. Then after that, I will flip it like this. Then I'm going to fold it this way. But because this side is curvy, I'm going to notch this. Then I'm going to fold it like this using hemming gum to hold it down at the back. And I've just done that. Sorry, I didn't show you when I was doing that, but this is something you can always do. Then I will sew this part. Remember, I'm going to flip this right upwards and sew. You have to be very careful while sewing, especially these curvy areas. I'll cut here and turn this up. Then sew. I'm going to trim off part of this. Then you flip it over. You are now going to use your iron to smoothen it and add hemming gum to hold it down. And that's our pocket here. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing videos.